in by Bonto. He'll send it down the coast. Easton Cowan, high slot area, in and out on one-man dish. In front of the net. They score! Barkey! Up the post! Woolley again! He couldn't drop the payload. He had the wide open cage. Now Barkey shoots it. Another chance. Easton Cowan shoots. He scores!
Well, the Knights are swarming tonight. Woolley puts this off the post, and he has a puck that's bounding. He can't find.
He just banned on the pass. A little hot from Denver Barkey. Here's Barkey again, and behind the net, Cowan parks himself right in the crease. He'll go down low. Here's a chance. They score. Landon Sim on the jump. Kept in by Zarowski onto the blade, though. It rolls to Woolley. What a puck pass to find a man on the left side. Woolley shoots! Scores! Top of the net by Whisker. Hooky again. Around the base of the board, rolls all the way back. On the blade of Easton Cowan, he'll go hard toward the net. Cowan trying to chip it home. As he was sent to the corner, Brustevich breaks it up, knocked down Bowie at the line. With the lane, Bowie shoots, scores! Rookie finds the back of the net. And Owen Sound with a power play goal. The line, here's Terzini, hard to the net. Chance, Owen Sound, PK! They score! McDonald! And the Owen Sound attack. Hooky. Remember, they collided before. Hooky gave Brustevich a little shot. And speared and shot in front of the net. Now it's kept. They scored! And Owen Sound, it looks like Delisle. But everybody up and in tight. Owen Sound won by the Knights. And now here's Easton Cowan alone. Cowan shoots. Oh, he fired it off. Boy, former Knight is having one heck of a game here. Now played in across the line. Sam O'Reilly lane. Will he shoot? Trying to tuck it home. Carter George to the rescue. Sam Dickinson, little chip back. Front of the net. That's whacked free, but not out. Here's Halttunen with that heavy shot. They'll look for him. Denver Barkey bump once it gets it, shoots it right on.